Imagine you're the most feared predator in the ocean. Razor-sharp teeth, a body built for speed, a reputation that made an entire generation scared to go swimming. The great white shark, the ocean's ultimate killing machine. Now imagine something that hunts it. Not just once, not by accident, deliberately, surgically, and with something that looks a lot like strategy. A great white shark carcass floating at the surface, missing its liver. This is not a nature documentary myth. This is real. This is documented. For most of history, scientists assumed great white sharks and orcas simply avoided each other. Two apex predators, same ocean, different lanes. In certain parts of the world, like the waters off South Africa's Gansbaai coast, those territories overlap completely. Gansbaai used to be packed with great whites, the great white shark capital of the world. Then, in 2017, they vanished. Scientists were baffled, until they found the bodies. The great white carcasses that washed up on South African beaches had something bizarre in common. They were torn open precisely near the liver. The shark liver is enormous oil-rich, and to an orca, it's basically a five-star meal packed with calories and fat. Orcas are intelligent, disturbingly intelligent. They didn't just stumble onto this, they learned it. They developed a technique so precise, scientists actually gave it a name: bite and extract. Two orcas approach from below. One grips the pectoral fin. The shark becomes inverted tonic immobility, essentially paralyzed. And then, in under 2 minutes, the liver is removed. Clean, whole. It looks less like hunting, and more like surgery. Great white sharks can detect chemical signals from dead or injured sharks in the water. When those signals hit, their instinct kicks in immediately. They flee. Entire populations of great whites abandoned Gansbaai for years just because two orcas were in the area. This wasn't just South Africa. Reports of orcas targeting great white livers started coming in from across the globe. Different orca groups, in different oceans, independently discovering the same technique. This is called cultural learning. That's not instinct, that's culture. Orcas live in tight family groups. They teach each other. They mourn their dead. They are, in every measurable way, one of the most intelligent animals on the planet. And the great white shark, the ocean's most legendary predator, never stood a chance. Raw power isn't everything. The ocean isn't ruled by the biggest teeth. It's ruled by the most strategic mind. Orcas didn't win by being stronger than great white sharks. They won by being smarter, by working together, by learning. The great white shark spent millions of years at the top of the food chain. It took exactly one species with the right intelligence, the right teamwork, and the right opportunity to change that. And somewhere in the deep, cold water right now, the lesson continues. The ocean has rules. Orcas just rewrote them. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.